So wudu is ta'abbudi, but the hikmah behind it is to cleanse yourself. Imagine the Rasulullah came 1400 years ago. They're living in the desert. They were dirty. They were filthy. Islam came and it brought purity. Islam came and it brought tahara. Every time you pray, you have to go be clean. You have to wash your face, wash your hands, your head, your feet. Sometimes you need to do ghusl. If you're in the state of janaba, after the hayd, after certain things, you need to do ghusl. Why is this? It makes sense. Imagine right now that they tell you at your job, you have to come to the job clean. You have to come wearing clean clothes. Similarly, when you're going to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or coming to the masjid, خُذُوا زِينَتَكُمْ عِنْدَ كُلِّ masjid. When you come to the masjid, come clean, wear your nice clothes. This is a good appearance. And it shows you that, first of all, it shows you the philosophy of cleanliness in Islam. النظافة من الإيمان. Nadafa and cleanliness, it's not separate from Iman. It's a part of your faith. It defines your religion and your faith. So this is something very important that the religion of Islam brought. And second, it places us in the mindset. Right now, when you're wearing the uniform and you're clean and you're ready, when you go, wherever you go, you're going to take it more seriously. Right now in some jobs, they tell you when you come to the job, you have to wear this dress code. You have to wear this. Some places you have to wear a suit and a tie. Other places you have to wear in a specific way. Why? Because when you're dressed in a way, your attitude and your mindset is also going to be, aligned with what you're doing. So this is why when we come to the masjid, we have to be clean. Because we are cleaning our souls when we pray, and we also should clean our bodies.